Holy shit, EA have released the midfielders of the team of the year, and there's Di Maria, Iniesta, and Cruz. Most of all, I really want to pack Di Maria because he's just gonna be sick. And as you can see, EA have released 35k packs. They have made a special design which looks even more awesome than the FUT, the Footmas packs, probably just to get more people to open them. And pretty much these are 35k packs. They're better than 25k packs, but obviously they aren't that great, so I might go over to the 15k packs and open them. But nevertheless, let's just get into the pack opening. Come on, EA. Team of the Year, Di Maria. In my first pack, Kabai. Yeah, we got Kabai. I'll keep that. I think we can just get rid of it. And yes, we are into our second pack, our second 35k pack. And EA gives us Company. Yes, that is a good player. I'm not sure how much he goes for. I will not sell him right now because he probably won't go for that much because it is Team of the Year and all of the player prices go down. But nevertheless, let's get into another pack. Ter Stegen and Marcello, so it's a decent pack. Obviously, my main goal is to get Team of the Years, but that is a decent pack. Alright, another pack, and we get Drogba. Great. I'm not even gonna bother looking through the pack. Let's just keep on going. So this is the Team of the Year attackers will be released tomorrow at 6 p.m. British time, or I'm not sure, somewhere around then they will be released, and people are just gonna open so many packs on PlayStation, Xbox, iOS, pretty much anything. The market will crash. It will just be chaos. And yeah, obviously I will be opening just as many packs as everyone else, trying to get Ronaldo or Robin or Messi. Pretty much just anyone. Alright. Come on. Wilshere. Really, EA? Really? You know what, for about 5 packs, I think we're just gonna race through them as quick as possible to try and just get a good player. Hopefully a Team of the Year, perhaps an inform, or just any good player would be nice. But unfortunately, we don't seem to be getting anyone good. Our best player so far has been Company, and aside from that, we don't really have anyone too much worth selling. Yeah, let's just keep going. Paletta. Really, EA? I really want to open as many packs as possible during this video. Hopefully I can get a Team of the Year. If we do, it'll be insane. Alright, so how about this? For this one, let's skip it. Sharawi. You know what? How about this? We're gonna open a 35k pack. EA, I do not want a team of the year. Please don't give me a team of the year. Okay, so apparently reverse psychology does not work. What could we do? I don't know, are there any pack methods? We get Vidal there. That's an improvement. And a BPL manager, Manuel Pellegrini. And Griezmann. It's a good pack, but what counts is the team of the years. They're the ones we really want to get. Alright, another 35k pack. Come on, EA. Come on. You know you want to give me a team of the year. Apparently not. Alright, this is the one. I feel it. We're gonna get a team of the year. We're gonna get team of the year Di Maria. Maybe not. I was wrong. So pretty much these 35k packs have been a pretty big disappointment. No one good, really. David Luiz. Still can't believe he made team of the year. I mean, he did okay at the he did pretty good at the World Cup until it came to the final games. I mean, Brazil's defense just couldn't hold. I mean, their defenders, they were just too much. They just went up so far. They were very attack-minded players. Yeah. No. No! 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 Oh my god. We get Oscar. We get Inform Oscar. Holy shit. He after, in a couple of weeks, trust me, he's gonna be worth so many, like 600, 500k. Holy shit. That is a great player. Not as good as a team of the year, but that's not much worse than getting team of the year David Luiz. Holy shit. Can't believe it. Thank you, EA. That is probably the highlight of my pack opening so far. I mean, obviously it is, but whatever. Howard. We can discard him, and let's get into another pack. Who can we get? Coutinho. Okay, we have spent not that many coins. I tried to not open any packs yesterday to save up for Team of the Year midfielders and attackers, and by the time Team of the Year attackers are out, I'll probably still have like 8 million coins, which is definitely enough. I really, really, really want to pack a Team of the Year Ronaldo, or obviously Messi, or oh my god, we get Inform Ruffier. Holy shit. All of a sudden, I keep getting good informs. 84 rated goalkeeper. He's probably the best goalkeeper in the Ligue 1. He's better than Sirigu now. His stats are amazing. Holy shit. I'm gonna store him in my club. I'm not gonna sell him now because I just know he's gonna be worth a lot more in a couple of weeks. Thank you, EA. I love you. Not really, but a little bit. When you give me good players. Alright. Gundogan, I think we'll keep him. And Remy. And the Italian manager. And let's get into another pack. We just gotta get rid of this. There we go. Come on, EA. Come on. Give me someone good. Danny. So pretty much that is the end of the pack opening. I would open more, but I just don't want my video to be too long because then it will take too long to update. I'm probably gonna be opening packs today more. I just need to end this video right here. So if you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I am out. See you guys.